Welcome to Cookin with Hilda and Happy New Year's! And with this cold weather temperature, what is better than a cup of warm, cozy, hot cocoa? And what if we top it with chocolate bombs and have chocolate melting spoons? That is even better. So let's get ready and make these easy, beautiful hot cocoa toppings. Now to start making these delicious treats, you will need, of course, chocolate. And choose your favorite one. Can be white, dark, or milk chocolate. And choose, of course, the method you want to use to melt this delicious chocolate. To make the chocolate spoons, you will need chocolate spoons molds. And this is the easiest way to do it. Of course, you can follow the shape of your own spoons at home, but it's going to be harder to make. So I recommend you these because it's easier and they are thicker than to just cover a spoon with chocolate and put it in the fridge. That is going to be a very thin chocolate spoon. This is going to be thicker and it's going to look better. And I like to make chocolate lines with a different chocolate color, but this is just my choice. You don't have to, it's just the way I like it. So when I demold it, it will have this beautiful pattern that I like to see in my chocolate spoons. So we fill the chocolate molds with chocolate and let it in the fridge. Don't let it set outside because it's not gonna have that shine that is beautiful when you see chocolate. It usually forms in cold temperature, so we put it in the fridge and for a couple minutes to set. And they're ready. Look how beautiful they look. Aren't they beautiful? And so fast to melt in your mouth. With the chocolate bombs, of course, melt the chocolate, and you can always use a brush and paint those chocolate molds inside. I like to use the fast way because when I make chocolate bombs, I usually make a lot. Many chocolate bombs. So I just grab a little less than half of my little spoon of chocolate, put it inside and swirl it. Swirl it, swirl it. Swirl. That's the way I make chocolate bombs. Because these are not gonna be chocolate cocoa bombs, they are even easier because you don't have to put the chocolate powder inside the chocolate bomb. The chocolate powder makes it harder to stick the two halves of the sphere together. It makes it harder. It's not impossible, of course, but these chocolate bombs are easier because they are just going to be decorations. This time I filled the chocolate bombs with marshmallow and candy cane sprinkles, but you can fill them with whatever you choose, maybe some gummy bears or gummy worms or scented sugar, wherever you choose to make it festive in your own style. Now today, to celebrate New Year's, I made you special chocolate hearts. They are super easy, and you can decorate the top of the heart with whatever shape you prefer. Maybe you can wrap it with these little bags and give them as a part of the gift that you're gonna give to your guests in the New Year's dinner celebration. Oh, beautiful. We're done making beautiful toppings for our hot cocos. So let's now make a hot cocoa ourselves. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, and I wish you a wonderful New Year.